Hey there, dear friends, hope you're having a great day. Welcome to an exciting new tutorial. Let's dive into creating stunning pleats. We'll explore CLO 3D and Marvelous Designer together to craft a stylish skirt for our avatar. Let's start by designing the pleats using the rectangle option in CLO 3D. Then, adjust the skirt's waist to about 60. Next, set the height to 4 and sketch it out carefully to shape the design just right in CLO 3D. Now, I'll carefully align the pattern to match the avatar's body perfectly in CLO 3D. Check out the avatar display. This feature, known as Show Arrangement Point, lets you place points around the avatar's body. This helps you position accurately. Go ahead and drape the pattern over the avatar's body to achieve a much more comfortable and realistic simulation experience. For now, I'm going to turn it off once more to clear out those points. And I'll stitch these two waist parts together. During simulation, it's quite simple, though the pattern could slip or shift near the waist. Here, we position the avatar carefully to ensure everything aligns perfectly for the next step. Designing pleats in software can be tricky, so here are some essential rules to remember. Picture this. I'm drawing a rectangle for the waist. Here's the issue. The part that wants to add pleats to the next section must be sewn. Size matters. Align it carefully. This way, each section will feature exactly 3 pleats. Take a look. Here I'm sketching a rectangle for clarity. Start by setting the top edge at 60 centimeters. Then, sketch a new rectangle, sizing it to 180 centimeters as an example. Height 40. Next tip for drawing pleats, so we need to draw some lines here. This way, the pleat angles will be perfectly set in place. For example, I want 10 pleats here, right across this specific section here. We'll require triple the amount here. Let's sketch 2 pleat lines for precision. Alright, here's the trick. I pick the line, then hold Shift right-click with the key and it's perfectly set. Let's add the internal line across segments. Over in the number of offset section, adjust the count. Time to add our line. I'm setting it to 30. I'll skip that since there's another line present. I'll input 29 and hit OK. I do. Here's a valuable tip for crafting pleat designs. Take the top line, which appears seamless now, and render it as distinct broken lines instead. At this stage, make sure to click on the Add Point feature for precision. Next, I simply right-click to proceed with the action. I counted 30 lines, even the side ones. I've adjusted the number of segments to 30. Done. Take a look. Each part now has a point created, connecting everything together. Notice how the face appears broken and disjointed. Moving on, let's explore the pleat section now. Now take a look at the palette. You'll spot a handy feature labeled Pleat Fold, ready to help shape your design with ease. Watch as I select one side and slide it across. I double-click on it. Simply double-click to access Pleat Fold. There you go, it's open with this handy feature. Pick your favorite one-sided playlist. How about double-glazed or accordion style? Consider adjusting the internal lines as well. Set them to 3, following the standard guideline. Sure, by clicking here, I can easily switch up the line's color to something more fitting. Tap here to explore different views. Take a look at how pleats have been skillfully added to this design. Notice how this fold angle is set precisely to 0. Moving forward, the next line hits 360, while the one after climbs to, why not just stick with 180? In the same way, every angle has been applied with precision up to the final lines. Shall we shift our focus back to the interior section and explore further details together? Dive into this step with me. We're selecting the pleat swing option to add that perfect touch of detail to our interior design in 3ds Max. This bottom line, I'm sewing this top part, just like that. Look, it's building 3 with precision. Check it out, 3 elements are seamlessly stitched together. Take a look. The seams are meticulously stitched and carefully pleated for a flawless finish that truly stands out. Let me lock the belt in place to ensure it stays perfectly still. To bring this section to life, I'll switch it over to strange mode for the simulation. Just a light touch here, no need to dive too deep. Time to launch this simulation and see results. Check this out. The police figures are aligned with absolute precision and care. Every detail has been meticulously stitched into place. Take a look. I'm working with the extrude brush to shape these details with precision. Every pleat technique is carefully applied, following the key points shared. This helps craft a skirt effortlessly. Check out these crisp, stunning pleats that add so much charm to the design. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial helped. Stick around for more tutorials in this series. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.